I thoroughly recommend it, yeah. It's been very engaging, very useful, and well professionally managed.
Very relevant. I'll go back to the presentation on store brand, which I would say has been a great kind of precedent for what the industry needs in terms of focus for asset managers, because I believe that there was a lot of confusion in terms of what are the actual challenges. And that presentation brought out a lot in terms of the definitive focus for asset managers. So from that perspective, I think, broadly speaking, the presentations are very valuable. For us, this is a new market, and in terms of what we're looking to achieve, we were identifying a short list of events that we could attend. So it was a last-minute thing for us. Obviously, we will have a much more rigorous process in terms of evaluating events in the future. But I believe that from what we've seen here, I can say that there's definitely a chance that we will in the future also be at the same event.
It's been a fantastic event, I have to say. It's a diverse number of speakers and a wide range of subjects on Solvency II, and a nice mix of people as well. So it's been very good so far. There's a strong attendance. There's certainly, from an investor perspective, my region is the Nordic region, and I would say almost half the people here maybe from the Nordic region. Strong attendance, lots of different types of role players from the investors. So whether they be risk officers, CEOs, deputy CEOs. So I think it's a good representation, and it helps to provide the kind of mix that you need to discuss all the different subjects.
I sponsored this event because I think we can reach a large number of potential clients within a very short space of time. So from an investment point of view, I guess this is a shorter route to market. The level of people at the level of decision makers means that any sort of investment potentially can convert fairly quickly. I think so far, it's made some good contacts. Obviously, it's very hard to do actual business in these kind of conferences, but we'll take the context away, and we certainly will follow up. So yeah, we made some really good contacts.
I think what is interesting about it is it's touched on several different areas. We had a piece on data, which is usually one of those that is ignored, but it was good that we went into quite a lot of detail on the data side of Solvency II. It's a broad range of topics on the investment side too that we touched upon, which I thought was quite interesting. But also bringing in the liability side, obviously seeing some from Baron Hibbert more focus on that part of the business, but that was also spoken about in a lot of detail. So I think broadly a good selection of topics were touched upon in a lot of depth as well. So it's good.
I get a better understanding of various of the aspects of Solvency II. Which will certainly help me also going forward to also help our clients to better understand these aspects. So insofar, I would argue that I've achieved the goal.